Oh hi, I'll show you how to fix your starter pull cord on your outboard motor. A couple of weekends ago I took some friends out on the boat just to stroll around the lake and went to start my Mercury and pulled on the pull cord and bloop, off it came. So I'm going to show you how to take this cowl off and open it up and fix the pull cord on it so you can start your motor again. On this Mercury, I have a little lever down here. You just go like that and then pull up on this and then they'll come right off. And then you'll see that this is what broke. So I'm gonna take this guy off. You gotta take this off, this, and this, and then we'll just pull this off. Well, we'll have to probably take this guy off too. I'll show you. To do this chore, we're gonna need a wrench. I'm gonna guess that it's one of these. Just gonna start grabbing a bunch because I don't know exactly. I'll need a needle nose pliers and then a flathead screwdriver. See how this goes. Oh, and I also will need a Phillips head. Okay, I went through these and the 10 millimeter seems to be the one that's working out of the ones I pulled off of here. So I'm gonna just loosen these guys up. Make sure to unscrew these guys so you can take the fuel filter off. And then this part should just come right off. Once you get this part taken off, then you can take this whole piece off. Starting to rain, of course, so I'm gonna put this over the rest of the motor while I work on this in the shop. So what you need to do is pull this all the way, and you're gonna just keep pulling it until this knot is even with this hole. Okay, once you get this lined up, you're gonna lock this, and I usually use like a screwdriver. To show you guys this, I wedged this screwdriver into here so it wouldn't spin on me. And then what you do is you take these needle nose and you pull the rope out. Okay? And then you just pull the remaining cord out of here. Now, if this isn't working right, you might have to replace this whole thing. If it's not spinning on its own, you might need to replace that. And I'm gonna put a link to that in the description. You'll just wanna find the right part number for yours. This might be it right here. Yeah, I'm seeing that number again. So you might want to look up this part or look up a Mercury 15 horsepower outboard recoil starter assembly. Once you have this all wound up and pretty tight and you have the cord out, you're going to take the new one that you just bought and you're going to thread this through here to come out here. And once again, with your needle nose, you're going to grab that. You're going to pull it out, and you're going to make a small knot. The knot's going to be just a one-time thing like that, okay? Don't get too fancy. Then you're going to just pull that, tuck this part down so it doesn't get caught in anything when it's retracting. And then you're going to just take this screwdriver out. It's gonna spin around real fast and retract everything again. Then you're going to pull this back out through this cord here. And then you're going to take your new handle and you're going to put it up through there and tie a knot in that one. Okay, so you're going to tie that knot and just stick it in there. And then once you get that handle on there, you should be able to pull this and it'll retract. like that. And if it's not retracting enough, like I feel like it's not quite retracting enough, I'm going to take this knot out and I'm going to wind this up a couple more times to give it a little bit more rigidity, and then it should tighten this up to here a little bit better and make a faster retract. Now you're going to put this part down. You're going to screw these guys back in. You're going to put this holder that has the fuel filter, and you're going to put this gas line back on because you need gas to start this thing. You're going to screw that tight. You want it fairly tight. You don't want to crimp it too much, but you want it to be tight. There. You also need to remember to put this linkage in here too, because this is what locks this. So now all you have to do is put this guy through, and you're gonna take this extra cord here and put it to about there. Then you're gonna tie your knot, and you can cut off the extra that comes out of here. Last thing you need to do is plug in your gas, turn on the motor, and give it a pull. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped. I have another video on how to change a pull cord in a lawnmower as well.